How to make your penis bigger up to 7 inches in only 2 weeks with 5 best penis enlargement foods for men. In this video, I will show you 5 superfoods how you can make your penis bigger in 8 weeks, and later, I'll show you how to make your penis bigger up to 7 inches in only 2 weeks, quickly and easily. Eating properly has many notable health advantages, including significant penis enlargement benefits. The following penis enlargement foods can help you get the extra girth, length, and size you have been hoping for. And unlike over-the-counter penis enlargement drugs, these penis enlargement foods are safe, cheap, and healthy. You will no longer have to worry about harmful substances, scary side effects, and paying a fortune. Next time you are in the grocery store, make sure to pick up the foods needed to feed your penis. The following penis enlargement foods can all be found quickly and cheaply in your nearest supermarket. Food number 1, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavanol, a phytochemical in a variety of plant-based foods and beverages. But what most people don't realize is that foods with flavanol, like dark chocolate, are useful for increasing blood flow to the penis. Plus, dark chocolate tastes good. Food number 2, low-fat yogurt. Natural penis enlargement foods often contain high amounts of lean protein. Low-fat yogurt most certainly fits this criteria. Food number 3, onions. Research shows that onions are great for creating healthy blood flow circulation through the body to the heart. Furthermore, onion consumption helps prevent blood clotting. But what people seldom realize is that onions help not only blood flow to the heart, but also with blood flow to the penis. Food number 4, salmon. Like we touched on in the case with onions, foods that generate a healthy blood flow are proven to help you attain a stiffer erection. Eating salmon is no exception. Rich in omega-3 and other fatty oils, salmon is great for thinning blood, which in turn helps generate a healthier blood flow. Food number 5, bananas. Good for your heart and for your blood flow, bananas are our number 1 recommended food for penis enlargement. While these foods are simply good to eat for your general health, you might be wondering how you can make your penis bigger up to 7 inches in only 2 weeks, quickly and easily. And if you'd like to follow the same step-by-step system that I used on me, then here's how to pick it up. Look in the description box now and click on the link for the easiest way I found how to make your penis bigger up to 7 inches in only 2 weeks.